a couple of minutes, her breathing became like gasps every few seconds, like that. And then she just curled up in the crook of my arm and extended her toes out like she was taking a big stretch. Arms, toes, big stretch. And then she just relaxed and passed away in my arms. Happy? You happy? Are you happy? Yay! Yay! Okay, it's oh my god, it's so nice out now. It's, what is it, like 68 degrees. It was freezing this morning. It's October 6th, this Monday. And it's 2 o'clock and I'm at the dentist's office. I'm about to go in to have my teeth cleaned, which is not my favorite thing to do in the whole world. And I was supposed to have a mother-son date to have our teeth cleaned together with Thomas, him doing his and me doing mine. But of course the little bugger has jazz band now on Mondays, and then marching band on Monday nights, and then jazz band on Wednesday, and marching band on Thursday. I don't know. My schedule is like going whack. Right, and that doesn't even include the three doctor's appointments Daniel has this week. And okay, let's go, Julie. Let's go have those teeth cleaned. Oh, it's afternoon on Monday, and we're getting some Subway. Hi, Henry. Because in about an hour, Thomas has to leave to go to jazz band. Marching band. You just got out of jazz band, so we're just going to grab some sandwiches because I, lucky enough, have a $25 gift card that my mother, Jan Polk, sent to me. Thank you, Jan. Oh, your sandwich? Okay. All right, I got to find out if Daddy wants a sandwich. And yeah, so I'm in Sandy Hook Center, and Daddy and I had dinner here, like on our anniversary, which was Friday. But we were over there eating on that deck outside. It was so nice at night. Anyhow. I said goodbye to my friend. 22 years old. She died in my arms, rocking in the chair. That's all I have to say. So, hello, good morning. Today is October 7th. I just wanted to talk about something that happened yesterday. I came home from a busy day, somewhere around 7-ish. Came up to my room to settle in. I brought my stuff up. I was tired. And I saw my cat, Tinker, laying on the floor, sort of on her side, with her legs kind of all in the same direction, kind of on her total side, and she never lays like that. So I thought that she had passed away. But then I saw she was still breathing and making sounds, and I went over, and she looked pretty bad. She was had been vomiting and was very weak, and so I wrapped her up in a towel, and she felt like totally floppy, like there was not much strength left. This cat is really special. She was 22 years old. I took her downstairs and called John, told him to come home because I was getting really upset. And I wrapped her in a towel, like I said, and I sat in the rocking chair and just sort of rocked back and forth with her. You know, it took a couple of minutes. I just didn't know what to do at first. I thought, oh, maybe she's sick. But then I said, no, you know, if I take her to the vet, it would be so traumatizing because she never dealt well with the car and the whole thing. And after a couple of minutes, her breathing became like gasps every few seconds, like that. And then she just curled up in the crook of my arm and extended her toes out like she was taking a big stretch. Arms, toes, big stretch. And then she just relaxed and passed away in my arms. This cat has been with me since 1992. I adopted her from a pet or a cat clinic in Rocky Hill, Connecticut. This was a long time ago. We lived in Middletown, and she was a stray or a rescue, but a very, very sick little kitten. I guess she was like a runt, and she was really small and had all kinds of problems. But I needed a friend because John had started working second shift and we were newly married, and I was really upset about that. So he let me get a kitten, and the rest was history. And she's always been a little quirky. She doesn't like the kids, doesn't like people, has this really loud, raucous meow and hisses at everybody. But with me, she slept with me every night. She cuddled with me all the time. She was like my little stalker. Anywhere I went in the house, there she was, ready to crawl on me and sleep. So I'm pretty sad this morning because, you know, she's like iconic. Like, she's been here through all of my children, through all of my homes, through all of the everything. She's just always been there. And she used to sleep right curled up here with her little chin. She was real small, so she would curl up, and I don't even know if she weighed 7 pounds, probably less than that. Anyhow, we'll miss her, and I have to go figure out what to do. I don't know what to do. I've never had to do this before. And of course, I don't have hundreds of dollars, but we really want to save her ashes. I think, I don't know, I told John, I said, I think she waited for me to come home because she was right in my room. She was still hanging on. And once she was in my arms, she just seemed to relax and just go. So I'm gonna miss my little friend. The house is so quiet without her. Wow, you know, wow. But that was my yesterday. So now I have to go carry on and go. Oh God, I don't even know what day it is. What day is it? It's Tuesday. Go to work for a little while. I have to call the vet and figure out what do I do with this cat. It's really hard for me because it's like, how do you put your cat that you've had for 22 years, which is a long time. That's as long as I've been married. We just celebrated our anniversary. 22 full years in a box and hand it off. You know, it's, I don't know. And now she's not, so I have to go because I'm trying not to cry today. And okay, so I didn't go to work. I've been sitting here going through photo albums on my counter. I just needed to reminisce back. I didn't look for Tinker, and I started pulling out other pictures that I wanted to scan in, and I'm like, oh my God, I gotta put this online. I gotta put this online. Okay, so I called the vet, and they were very nice about it. They said I could bring the cat in, and they all arrange for her cremation. And we decided to keep her remains. And the reason I did was that she's just been with us for such a really long time. And Sarah was really emotional, and she said that she would like that, so she could stay with us. And burying her outside, I don't know, I just didn't want to do that. She never went outside, you know. So anyhow, I have her wrapped up in here. She's in here, and she's under here. She still just looks like Tinker, but you know, she's gotta go. So I'm really sad. Taking her now to the vet, and I have one less pet. So happens, I guess. It's life. All right, here we go. We're gonna head out now. You ready, Henry? Henry has to go to the bathroom. I feel so lonely in here today. I need to get out of here. I'm gonna go sit and have a coffee somewhere. Well, she's in the trunk. We're gonna go take her to the vet now. And leave landed in there. This is really difficult. This is one of the really difficult things. And it's making me really sad. But I hope I have enough money to even pay for it. Just gonna have to figure it out. Oh, there's my keys. Okay, I'm gonna go now over to, it's right down near here, this vet that we go to for, well, I don't go there for Henry, but we went there for Tinker all these years. Okay, every day's a new day. Sometimes we have to say goodbye to people. And I'm gonna miss my kitty. Okay. Me there. Give kisses. Give kisses. I just want to be your friend. I don't want you to look like oh my. Go away. Come on. Henry! This isn't gonna work. Hi, Henry. Where am I gonna sleep, Tink? How about Mommy? Don't give me that look. Okay, Tinker, I have to go. I have to go. Will you both please? I'm sorry. I need to get up. I'm sorry.